Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and I am back with another try-on haul. Today's haul is a little bit different. This is my first ever swimsuit try-on haul. A company called Meet.Curve at Meet.Curve on Instagram reached out to me. They are especially designed for us curvy girls who want to look good, feel good while rocking our swimsuit, whether we are on the beach, at the pool, or wherever you see fit to rock your swimsuit. I have 3 swimsuits that I will be trying on for you all today. Before we get into the video, let's make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to click your bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. Make sure you check the description box below. I will have links to the swimsuits that I'm trying on today, as well as their IG and their website. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Up first, I have this one shoulder swimsuit. I am very hesitant, and Lord, this is way out of my element, this type of try-on haul, but let's get to it. It is white on top, black on the bottom. It comes with these pads inside for your breasts, just in case yours are like mine. They hang a little bit, but they will cover up your nipple and areola. None of that will be exposed. This one, it's okay. It has the little mesh opening here. It does have underwire. There isn't any type of tummy control or anything. I'm gonna step back so you can see the entire suit.
I'ma flip my hair and look back while I twerk in the mirror. All this money in a room, thinks I'm scared.
I like the look of it. You can't go wrong with black and white. I just wish that it was a little bit tighter on this side. I tell you what is giving me beach vibes, is making me want to go somewhere. So let me just show you how I would actually wear it, since I showed you the swimsuit, because me personally, I would not have it on and just walk around any beach, any pool, anywhere like this. Told y'all I was getting beach vibes. You add your hat, put your shades on with your bag, and honey, you are ready to roll. Beach vibes.
Creep a little sneak peek.
Next up, I went with an all-white swimsuit. For some reason, y'all, all white, I'm starting to love it, because like I stated in the previous video, all white gives you that clean look. But y'all, as confident as I am, I promise you, I just feel like I am struggling with these swimsuits. Only because I know everyone has an opinion and people will always have something to say. But anyway, let's get through this. I forgot to state, this swimsuit, as well as the previous swimsuit, is a size large, as well as the next one. All 3 are size large. Let me just step back.
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen! Yeah!
Okay, this swimsuit has cutouts on the sides. It does have padding. It is lined with an underwire, which is good. If you have boobs that are not as perky as they used to be, it does help. The padding on the inside is removable, and the back, you can tie this however you like. And what I like the most is this covering. All of my bottom is not out, and I like that. Again, I wouldn't just wear this like this, although it is cute enough to wear by itself. I'm okay with this top part, but I just want to cover up down here. But let me just show you.
Yo, they wanna know who's that girl.
She is ready. This is how I will rock her. Y'all know summer is coming up. Although we are kind of transitioning back to normal. I don't know who will want to go to a pool party or who will want to go to the beach. But hey, honey, Meet.Curve will have you all the way together. And they have plenty more to choose from right here at meetcurve.com.
Hold up. Pose, yeah. Pose, yeah.
Okay, this is the last one. And y'all, I had to save the best for last. I love all 3 swimsuits. I rated them in the way that I presented them to you. That's the likeness of it. Now this one, I wanted to go with an all black. You know, you have to have all black. So first one black and white, second one all white. This one is all black. You can never go wrong with all black. Well, anyway, let me step back so you can see this one.
Sugar, honey, iced tea, all eyes on me.
my fave. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, I know y'all see the girls are on display. It is lined, it has underwire. I don't know how everybody feel about underwire, but it does have underwire. It has padding on the inside. Y'all, they're pushed up and it does not hurt. You have this mesh opening, full coverage. The back does snap. You have this snap here, and then there's an opening there. The bottom is covered. Back to the girls. You have the padding on the inside that's helping to push them up. It's almost like a boost. You know how you have those bras with the padding that boost them up? Well, it's boosting them up. This strap is adjustable. You can move it up and down just like with the bra. This is my fave. Really cute. This one is just one that I would wear it to walk around. Actually even put on a pair of jeans with this and wear this with something on top. You can do some things with this swimsuit. Let me show you. This is how I will wear her. I don't even want to add the hats. Super cute. You have yourself a look. Can't forget about the oversized bag.
Yeah, my chick bad looking like a bag of money.
We have come to the end of my first swimsuit try-on haul. Thank you, Meet.Curve, for making these suits and thinking of us curvy girls. Make sure you head over to IG and follow at Meet.Curve. Make sure you check out their whole line on Meet.Curve.com. And thank you, Meet.Curve, for collaborating with me on this video. For all my beauties that may have just dropped in on this video, this may be your first one. Even if it's not, if you are not a part of the squad, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click your bell, like this video, and leave me a comment and let me know exactly what you thought of it, which swimsuit was your favorite, and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to share, and stay popping, YouTube. I will see each of you in the next video. Adios.